The L-Series sealed rocker switch offers total design flexibility while setting new performance standards. Available in 1 or 2 poles with circuit options for up to 12 terminals, the L-Series offers paddle and rocker style actuators. These switches are available with several illumination choices and feature long-lasting LED lighting. Additionally, the L-Series is IP67 certified and utilizes a roller pin mechanism for increased reliability. Together, these features make it ideal for on-highway or off-highway applications. For more details, visit our website or contact us today.